3 years later, two luxury projects, similar ticket size, same city, but completely different resale behavior. One moves steadily, the other moves selectively. And many people ask me, Sir, price तो same है, फिर resale behavior इतना different क्यों है? Let's decode this calmly because micro market behavior is never accidental. First, understand geography. DLF Privana sits in the emerging southern peripheral golf course extension. It is part of a developing luxury corridor. Wider roads, new infrastructure, future supply pipeline. Now compare that to DLF Arbour in Sector 63. Arbour is closer to established golf course road influence. Connectivity perception is stronger. The existing ecosystem density is higher. Privana feels expansive. Arbour feels connected. ये फर्क सिर्फ मैप का नहीं होता, ये बायर साइकोलॉजी का फर्क होता है. लोकेशन मैच्योरिटी डायरेक्टली अफेक्ट्स रीसेल बिहेवियर. याद रखिए, established pockets create confidence driven buying. Emerging corridors create growth driven buying. Different intent, different exit pattern. Second point, the buyer profile. Who bought there? Now let's talk about who bought in these projects. First, DLF Privana. It attracted growth-oriented investors, upgrade buyers from mid-luxury segments, some HNIs betting on corridor expansion. Arbour attracted ultra HNIs end users, buyers who want to stay close to well-developed areas with ready schools, offices, hospitals, and daily conveniences already in place. Buyers focusing on ecosystem stability over future appreciation. This is critical. When investor ratio is higher, resale inventory tends to circulate more frequently. When end user ratio is stronger, resale inventory becomes tighter, but negotiations become more selective. समझिए, जहां एंड यूजर डोमिनेट करता है वहां डिस्ट्रेस इन्वेंट्री कम होती है, लेकिन ट्रांजैक्शन स्पीड स्लो हो सकती है बिकॉज एक्सपेक्टेशंस आर फर्म एंड दैट अफेक्ट्स exit velocity. Point 3, exit velocity. How fast do they move? Let's define exit velocity clearly. Exit velocity equal to how quickly a well-priced resale unit finds a serious buyer. In Privana, higher listing circulation, more active comparison behavior, faster response when pricing aligns with market. In Arbour, lower inventory churn, fewer but more serious inquiries, longer evaluation cycle. Arbour buyers don't rush. They compare layouts. They evaluate orientation. They study micro factors. Privana buyers react more dynamically to pricing shifts. यहाँ एक इम्पॉर्टेंट बात समझनी होगी. लग्जरी रीसेल स्पीड का मतलब हमेशा बेटर प्रोजेक्ट नहीं होता. कभी कभी स्पीड का मतलब सिर्फ बायर प्रोफाइल का डिफरेंस होता है. Speed is not superiority, it is structure. Point 4. Density changes everything. Privana is part of a broader township expansion model. Large-scale inventory, phased development, visible construction ecosystem. Arbour is positioned as a more defined, contained luxury pocket. Lower surrounding density perception, closer to premium corridors. More lifestyle consolidation. Density influences rental absorption, investor participation, future supply risk, buyer comfort. जहाँ सप्लाई पाइपलाइन विजिबल होती है वहाँ बायर्स कॉन्शियस हो जाते हैं. जहाँ लिमिटेड कंट्रोल्ड इन्वेंट्री होती है वहाँ परसेप्शन स्ट्रॉन्गर होता है एंड परसेप्शन ड्राइव्स रीसेल बिहेवियर. सो व्हाई डू दे बिहेव डिफरेंटली? बिकॉज geography maturity is different, buyer psychology is different, inventory structure is different, density narrative is different. Same developer, same city, similar price bracket, but completely different resale rhythm. लग्जरी मार्केट में माइक्रो मार्केट लेयर सबसे पावरफुल होती है. सिर्फ प्रोजेक्ट का नाम देखकर डिसीजन लेना इनकम्प्लीट होता है. सो व्हाट शुड बायर्स एंड सेलर्स लर्न? If you are a seller, don't compare price movement blindly. Compare buyer type. If you are a buyer, Don't compare speed blindly. अंडरस्टैंड एब्जॉर्प्शन स्ट्रक्चर. हर लग्जरी प्रोजेक्ट अपना इकोसिस्टम बनाता है और हर इकोसिस्टम का रीसेल बिहेवियर यूनिक होता है. एंड इफ यू ट्रूली वांट क्लैरिटी, स्टडी माइक्रो मार्केट, नॉट मार्केटिंग, because luxury resale is not emotional, it is a structural pause. This is exactly why micro market interpretation matters. Thanks for listening.